That's right, the weight equipment, absolutely. Deep spot.
Wow.
Wow.
No bottom.
No bottom.
Guys, we were picking up right where we left off from the last video. We were out riding some skeg with some new friends. I just pulled across this field and I went a little bit too far into an area that I shouldn't have been.
Need a better tree.
Now remember, if you find value in the content, consider subscribing so you do not miss anything. My name is Don and this is Adventures This Way. Enjoy the ride.
Okay. That'll work. Whoa! Yeah, I just need someone I can winch onto right back there and I'll be good. Oh my god, this is deep right here. Holy. This is not a good spot. I didn't mean to come in here, but yeah, it's not ideal. Okay. Moral of the story, don't go that way. That was bad. Not really sure what's going on here. Boy, she's a little wet. So good. Yeah, my belt's a little, I think my belt's getting a little bit wet.
Don't break your hair, bud.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I think I got a little water in my belt, boys. Try.
That's all you can do, right?
Yeah. We give her a go, lads.
Oh, he's glad to see you here.
Hey, how's it going? It's a little rain shower, no big deal. Yeah, we're good. It's a bad spot. It's a bad spot. Oh my god. Oh. Good save. I was like, oh, this is not a good idea. Chevy's looking real clean. Which way? Back that way?
Heading to County Mountain.
Okay.
Forward.
Let's keep it right down the middle.
Yeah, you got it. That's why I just go slow.
Oh yeah, slow.
You got north.
Slow and steady. Well, I made it across the Candy Mountain water crossing. First time. I was here with my buddy Adam from Ghost Me ATVs. We walked it, but we were like, eh. It was just the two of us, and we'd never done it before, so we just passed. It's nice to do with people who've done it before. Yeah, buddy. Situation. We're just friggin' soaked. Great day no matter how you look at it. Oh, thank God it's starting to let up. It was like every man for himself, take shelter. Sure has been an interesting day. It's been raining a little bit off and on, but nothing we couldn't handle. But this time it's really bad. So hopefully this is it and we can get a little bit more riding in here. There's a few mud holes right over there, just on the other side of those two trucks. We've had quite a bit of rain the last few days, so everything is very, very saturated with water. So it should be fun. sound good. Something don't seem good. Deep spot. Wow. No. What do you got to grab onto though? That's just it.
You run the winch in, dog?
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. Drive shaft is loose.
Yeah?
Then you can see it slid backwards. So I slid it back in and it's fine, but so something's let go, it's not.
Oh, we better get you out of the skeg field then.
Yeah, we're gonna get out of here then.
Alright guys, make sure you check back to see what the damage was. And while you're waiting, check out this video here to see how this whole day started. I'll see you in the next one.